Hello friends, welcome to Nava Vastu. At Nava Vastu, we give you the solutions according to Vastu, but from your birth chart. Like if somebody has a question, which direction will be favorable for me? In that case, we just don't tell him to go and take the north facing house or northeast facing house, because all these directions are said to be good in the Vastu. Instead of that, we ask for the birth chart of a person with the birth details, name, your place of birth and your time of birth. If you don't have that available, then we open the Prashna Kundali, in which we assess your best planets. So today we are going to show you that how we choose best direction for your main door or facing direction of your house. This can apply to house, shop, your office, and even if you have factory or any kind of business you are doing. Even in your office, if you are sitting facing your best direction, you will receive good achievements in the job. You can see there is a chart on the screen. We will tell you according to the chart which is the best direction for this person. So as you see, there is a Lagna chart and there is a big chart. Big chart is the Vastu Kundali for the person, like the directions which will be beneficial for him and how he can use it in the house. We can see in the north direction there is number 6, which belongs to the planet Mercury, and in the Lagna chart also number 6 is sitting in the 4th house. So we can say the north direction is beneficial for this person. He can add green like plants on the door, which will give him very good results in gaining the opportunities in the job or in business, and it will bring wealth to the house. Then we can see in his chart Mars is sitting in the 5th star sign, which belongs to Sun, and Sun is also sitting in the 2nd house. 2nd house belongs to the money, your savings, your family and your food habits. So we can say that this person can have kitchen in the eastern side of the house, or if eastern side is not available to him, he can have the kitchen in the southwest direction also, which will give him stability in his profession and also blessings from his ancestors. And of course, it will improve the digestive system of the person. Then there will be another question, that where we can make a temple in the house. That's a very common question we normally hear. So according to this birth chart, he can make a temple in the northeast direction, east direction of the house. But there is one thing in this chart which this person has to be careful about. He should not have any bathrooms in the north direction. You can see the 6th number where it is sitting. There is a Rahu sitting also in that house. So it is always beneficial for him to avoid all the bathrooms in the house. Any of the bathrooms should not be in the north direction. So this way we can achieve better Vastu and better things in life through your birth chart. I hope we could clarify this subject and all of you would have understood now that how Vastu works. It not only works on the basis of the good directions, which is generally found to be, exactly, it is work on your best directions, which is good in your horoscope. So thank you so much to give us your time, and we will come next time with a new topic. And also please feel free to give us your comments or any other topic you want to hear from us. You can put in the comment box or you can send us an email. Thank you and see you next time.